have to keep the larvae out, or else they'll get hair if they get caught on that carpet. And then they're ruined, remember? Outside of Lucas. This is almost dead, and it keeps tipping over now instead of the glue. I guess in his computer room. This yellow. It's getting really dead. I'm not doing ants, people. You know that. Look at all the kinds of hex bugs going. Almost all of them except ants and nanos. Whoa. We could do the cars since they don't go under places. Or he's trying to break out. Whoa. I have not seen Doman today. No. Oh, that balloon's stuck. The larva. Oh.
Ooh, okay. Nice, yeah.